Hi everyone, welcome back to Malik's Magical Tales. I'm Malik Hamza, and today we're diving into an exciting topic: how to build an AI-powered chatbot that can analyze sentiment in text. This chatbot will help you detect emotions and sentiments in customer reviews, social media posts, or any other text input. Let's get started. First, we need to set up our environment. For this tutorial, we'll use Python and some popular libraries like by Hugging Face, which includes pre-trained models like GPT-3. 1. Install the necessary libraries: bash pip, install transformers, pip install torch, pip install Flask. 2. Import the required modules in your Python script: Python from transformers, import pipeline from Flask, import Flask, request, JSONify. Next, we'll create a sentiment analysis pipeline using a pre-trained model. 1. Initialize the sentiment analysis pipeline: Python sentiment _ analyzer = pipeline sentiment analysis. 2. Test the pipeline with a sample text: Python result = sentiment analyzer. I love this product. Print result. Now let's build the chatbot using Flask. First, set up a basic Flask app: Python app = Flask. Next, create a route for the chatbot: Python cap, route, analyze, methods was, post, def analyze _ sentiment. Finally, run the Flask app: Python if == main. Let's test the chatbot to see if it works. Use a tool like Postman to send a post request to with a JSON body. JSON. You should receive a response with the sentiment analysis result. Finally, you can integrate this chatbot into your website or application. Create an HTML form to take user input. HTML. And that's it. You've built an AI-powered chatbot that can analyze sentiment in text. This powerful tool can be a great addition to your customer service, social media management, or any application that needs to understand user emotions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.